Hello everyone, my name is Sai Avinash, civil engineering student from Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management, Hyderabad. This is my tall building design assignment from Skyfire Labs online course. Now I am going to explain the tall building design of building which is shown here of different dimension columns and beams by using M40 concrete rebars HYSD 500 mild 250. Here the thickness of slab is 150 mm and we use auto dock cladding and the cladding load as 0.2 kN per meter. We also consider wind load from Bangalore. Here are the different shapes for different stories. This is completely 23 stories building, of which 1 to 8 are of same type and 9 to 14, 15 to 19 and 20 to 23 are of different shapes. In this, the dead loads are same as 2 kN per meter square and the live load varies in different stories. Let's design this tall building in ETABS software. In this way we are going to design tall building. Initially we will be going to file and create a new model will be generated, and then we are going to give the number of stories as 23, in which the 1 to 8 and 9 to 14 are similar types. We give it from the option in which we have the different stories which are similar. We are giving the story 8 as in which we consider this is story 8 as master story and the remaining 1 to 7 are similar to this story. In the similar way, the story 14 is master story and the stories from 9 to 13 are similar to these. We will define the all stories based on the given project, and then we have to define the material properties as M40 and HYSD 500 and mild 250 from add new material as we know. And then we also have to define the section properties, I-frame section, in which the 3 beams are of different dimensions and 3 columns are of different dimensions. In this, by adding new property auto select list, we combine the 3 beams as a one beam and 3 columns as one. This during analysis it takes the required dimension beam or column for it. We also have to define the slab sections, and which is of 150 mm by new property, and then we go to the plan of first story and we will be giving the quick draw columns. We need to keep similar stories here so that the 1 to 8 will get assigned by the same columns and beams. In this way, we will be assigning the different columns and beams based on structure and the slabs. And on the top floor, we consider the same as 20 to 23 stories. And now we have to define load patterns as wind of type wind from Indian IS 875 book. We have to modify this load, and we have to give the values from the Bangalore area where the wind speed is 33 meter per second and the terrain category as 3 and the importance factor as 1, K1 factor as 1 and topography K3 factor also 1 based on the IS book. This is how we design the wind load. And then now we assign the different loads by selecting the all slabs and assigning the shell loads which are uniformly distributed, and we will be giving dead loads and live loads from here based on the values for different stories, and we apply on them. We also give the wind load by going to the elevation view, for example A. OK. Now we have to select all stories. By selecting the all stories, we will be assigning the shell loads and the wind pressure coefficient. These values we can get from IS standard book, and we will be applying here. We will also apply on the other elevations. As I am already applied, I am getting back. Now we have to run analysis. First, let's go to the plan view. After giving the loads, we have to remove the loads from the topmost area because there is no cladding above that. Just go to the 23rd story and remove those loads. Now analysis and run analysis. This takes some time based on your system. Now the 3D view displays the displacement dead loads on the right side. You can move the mouse on that to see the different values of that particular area. Now we have to design the concrete frame, in which we will be putting design code as IS456 2000 and click OK. Now we have to start the design and check. Start design and check. You will be getting a notification that analysis and design differ for 7 concrete frames. This happens due to there are 3 different columns, 3 different beams of different dimensions. So it asks for you to reiterate it. Please click on S. By clicking on S, it will be it. Now we go to design, and we will be checking verify all members pass. You will be getting a notification that all concrete frames pass the design check. This means the required tall building is of the material which we use, and it can be standing. Thank you.